Okay, this is a workshop, it's not a lecture. In other words, the purpose of this is to have practical outcomes. I call this breakthrough to reading self-improvement because it harnesses the tremendous power of the brain to enable the reader to improve himself. The brain has tremendous power. My Rosh Yeshiva, Rosh Scheinberg Shlita, he said that every person has a neshama, and the neshama is part of a Kodesh Baruch Hu, however we can understand that. The Kodesh Baruch Hu is infinite. That means a part of infinity is infinity. That means everyone has a power of infinity, a potential of infinity within himself. There was an amazing case some years ago. It was mentioned in the Daily Telegraph in England. There was a girl of 7 who went to have her tonsils removed. She was in Holland, and the doctor saw that she had a very large portfolio. Her reports were very extensive, and she was a normal girl. She was slightly physically impaired, but she was arguing with her sisters in Dutch, and she was discussing things with her mother in Turkish. And the Dr. Borgstein, he looked through the file and he found that she had actually half a brain. When she was 3, she'd had some sort of a illness, and the treatment was to remove half the brain, including the language processing areas of the brain. And now, as a 7-year-old girl, 7.5 years old, she was fluent, totally fluent in 2 languages. He said it was amazing. I had to tell my students to forget all the neurophysiological theory they were learning. If this little girl could achieve so much with only half a brain, what could we not do with a complete one? He continued, we should see the brain as a dynamic system fully capable of functional reorganization to re-establish the most essential functions for independent survival, rather than the somewhat static collection of neurons it is often made out to be. So our goal is to get everyone on track. Everyone reading, understanding, and enjoying and fulfilling his life.